yesterday you had the test, today moderate load, tomorrow moderate load, and then we are ready for next week where we go all in, okay? So we just gradually build up. Everything that we do here today, we can do on maximum pace. It's all in short spaces and short time course, okay? So we can do that in a proper way while we are on the pitch, and that should be a habit. When we are training, we do it 100%. We take care of the load, so make sure you do it 100%. One thing, our good friend here, he just got married. What do we do then?
Kanalen.
Kanalen vlog. Okay. Congratulations.
Sorry, David.
Hey. Respect, hè? Du har
Altså, det er en ny kultur, vi har startet med.
Ja, tak. Velkommen. Godt, så starter vi med... Nej, glem det.
David, you want to play or not?
Start with the...
Thank you so much.
Amin, you ready?
Yes, Jonas, support again, short distances.
Yes.
Well done.
Come.
Jonas is inside as well, we can use him. Again, this guy.
I gang. Hurtig omstilling, i gang. Go on.
Support again, Micke. Well done.
I gang igen, hurtig omstilling, i gang. Og på tæerne. Godt, det er Siva, i gang med det. Spil. Okay, good boys.
Okay, see here. Pass to the right. Diagonal angles. If I go inside, okay. If I go inside, bam, you go outside. So it's diagonal all the time. If I'm the guy going outside, you pass to me, bounce, then you go inside. Okay, speak and react to each other. Diagonal, always diagonal angle. Yeah. Pass, Amin. Yeah, you can do something with it.
Okay.
Take care of the ball, guys.
Right.
On the side, other way around. But right now, too many loose balls. Too low quality. Ball hopping all around. Okay, play with quality and concentration, please. Left side, let's go. Take it in. Yes. Well done. Well done, David.
Yeah, good.
Okay. Good timing and start. Well done, good timing, you. Well done, good. Yes. Okay. Competition. Left versus right. Now. Pass to the right side. Up and down like before. Up, down, up, down. To me here. I take first touch forward there. Okay, same. Up, down, there, down there. Touch forward and play. Okay, so it's the same for every one of you. Up, down, there, full touch.
It's outside only.
Oh, you decide. Just up and down. Det er ned der tilbage. Det er en omgang. Okay, so when the ball goes to side or goes to Tunis, it's 1 point. You need to get 5 points.
Beat it. Yes.
5 push-ups over here. Sasa team. Okay.
Okay, tag hurtigt vand, så kommer jeg ind på banen her med keeperne. Clear it out. Now we play 4 against 4. There's 2 more players that can move from the sideline to the end line, okay, and are available for the team. 90 seconds each game. We play 9 games in total. The Jonathan will count for you, but I also would like you to compete and count. So we are competing. My team that I was watching there, you weren't counting, okay, you were whispering what the score was. You are competing. That's fun to compete, so please count. Make it count for yourself. Never switch off. Alright? Stay in your faith, no fucking bullshit, but high tempo and enjoy it. Jonathan has the team.
Ja, same teams. Så det betyder Orange Team, Svensson, Mikkel, Jonas, Tobias, Bumhold, Sasa, Amin. Get a rematch. Orange Team, go down there. And Green Team, go down there. Double goal, let's see from Jonas. Keep it. Go! Yes. Come on! Yes! Come on! Who wants the ball? Go! Jump! Let's do it! Open up again! Come on! Kom met het!
Great save! Up again!
Go! Shoot!
Hey, again!
Yes!
Bra slag! Pass him up!
Play on! Stop!
Zooma!
Good shot, Mikael! Hey! Right!
Yes!
Hey!
Steven!
Plus one green.
Boys, listen up. When we are defending, don't make it a habit and take the first steps backward. Every time you can go forward, go fucking forward. Press them. Make them pass it backward. Follow through your press. Don't hold back. Forward pressing. Andre på bakfoten.
I want to be cool!
No.
Hey, away! Press! You have him!
Gå in i boxen, Emil! Håll in!
Emil!
Step! Nej, kom on! Boll! Svensson! Ja! Amin! Ligger det bollen! Ja! He's not dangerous, Amin!
Bra, Amin, bra! Yes!
Svensson, kom in here! There is no doubt in my mind. You are a bunch of players that have great mindset, good footballers. Now we just have to push each other, be in this together, make sure that we are here every single day, pushing to the maximum. Okay, so now take care of your bodies, eat, relax tonight, come in tomorrow, have a good session again. Alright, let me end up with one clap. Let's go. Thank you.